Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving a system restore failed error, and that it has failed to extract the file from the restore point. An unspecified error has occurred during the system restore, and this will usually be accompanied by the error code 0x8007018B. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing we're going to do is open up the start menu, type in CMD, best match should come back with command prompt listed right above app. Go ahead and right click on it and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scannow. Scannow should all be one word attached to that / out front, and again exactly how it appears on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard to run this command. It will take a couple minutes to run, so please be patient. Okay, so once that is done, we're going to go run the next command here. So just copy that from my description, and then we're going to go paste it in. It's going to be the scanhealth command. So just copy it from my description, then go up to the top bar of the command prompt, right click on it, select edit, and then paste it in. Okay, one more command here, and we're going to paste that in. Okay, so once that one is done, you should be able to just go ahead and close out of here, restart your computer, and then hopefully the issue should have been resolved at this point. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.